Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing my in-depth Hostinger review for this year. If you're looking for reliable and affordable web hosting services, you've come to the right place. I'll be covering all the essential aspects, including performance, features, customer support, pricing, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced website owner, this review will help you make an informed decision. Join me as I dive into the world of Hostinger and discover why it's a top choice for hosting your website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. Let's get started. We bring you the latest and greatest Hostinger coupons. If you need reliable and affordable web hosting, Hostingerreview, and with our exclusive Hostinger coupon codes and Hostinger discounts, you can make significant savings on your hosting plans. What are the benefits of using Hostinger coupon codes? Using Hostinger coupon codes can provide several benefits for individuals looking to purchase hosting services. Here are some of the advantages. Number 1. Cost savings. Coupon codes allow you to save money on your hosting expenses. They often provide discounts, such as a percentage off the total price or a specific dollar amount reduction. These savings can make a significant difference, especially if you're on a budget or looking to minimize expenses. Number 2. Affordable entry point. Hostinger is already known for its competitive pricing, and coupon codes further enhance affordability. They can help you access premium hosting services at a lower cost, making it easier for individuals or small businesses to get started with their online presence. Number 3. Value maximization. Some coupon codes may offer additional benefits beyond the monetary discount. For example, they might provide extra features, extended trial periods, or upgraded plans at no extra cost. These value-added benefits allow you to experience Hostinger's services more comprehensively and make a more informed decision. Number 4. Experimentation and testing. Coupon codes enable you to test different hosting plans or services without fully committing financially. You can use the discount to try out different features, scalability options, or performance aspects of Hostinger's hosting services, allowing you to assess if they meet your specific requirements. Number 5. Access to exclusive offers. Hostinger often collaborates with affiliates, partners, or runs limited-time promotions. Coupon codes can grant you access to exclusive offers that may not be available through regular channels. These exclusive discounts can provide an opportunity to secure better pricing or unique benefits compared to the standard offerings. It's worth noting that coupon codes typically have expiration dates and specific terms and conditions. Be sure to review these details to ensure the coupon code is valid and applicable to your desired hosting plan or service. You can visit the link in the description that wraps up our Hostinger review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.